If you want to stay ahead with industry sound standards, learn more about the basics of sound, or the recent acoustical improvements on cooling towers and condensers, then I invite you to join one of BAC's sound webinars. We have thousands of sound critical installations worldwide, which have been tested according to different sound standards. And the accuracy of our data has been confirmed by multiple independent sound consultants. It's through that close cooperation with specialists, suppliers, and our end customers that we continuously improve our acoustical knowledge. And today we have the most comprehensive and efficient sound offering available in our industry. So join us during one of our webinars. Take advantage of our expertise and please share your thoughts and ideas, because together we are stronger.